Meaning of grotto.
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 Grotto. A grotto is a small cave or cavern, often with decorative features like stalactites and stalagmites. These natural formations are typically found in areas with high amounts of limestone or other soluble rock types. Grottos have been used for various purposes throughout history, such as for religious or spiritual practices, artistic inspiration, and even as cooling retreats from summertime heat. The word grotto originally comes from the Italian grotta, which itself is derived from a Latin word meaning cavern or grotto. Overall, a grotto is a fascinating geological feature that holds much beauty and intrigue.